In this video, we're looking at the brand new lineup of servos from ZOSKAY. This is a company that we have known and loved for many years now to provide very affordable, budget-oriented servos for crawling and bashing needs. This is a 35 kg that I just took out of my son's Ecto. Nothing wrong with it. But we're going to be upgrading it to one of these brand new servos. They changed around some of the material that are used in the gear. Now it's stainless steel gears in there, fully waterproof, all that kind of stuff. And they stepped up from not only the 35 kg to a 45, but also a 55 kg servo now. When you look at the specs, there was an old 45 kg version that sold for $39. Speed was 0.11 seconds for 60 degrees, and the 45 actually spec'd out at 51 kg if you were running it up at 8.4 volts. This new servo now, the 55 kg version, it is more expensive as you're getting more power out of it. It's $79. But the speed at 8.4 volts, 0.09. We're literally talking about like almost racing speeds here now. And if you're running it at that 8.4 volts, 61 kg steering. I think it'll steer the whole dang truck. So what we're going to do is we're going to blow one of these apart. We're going to look at the waterproofing in it. We're going to look at the gears in it and see how they look. And then we're going to install this 55 in the new Comp Fox and give it a try. Alright, so what we can immediately see inside here, beautiful rubber gasket around the bottom to keep the water out, and a rubber gasket on the screw, so the bottom side is all nice and sealed there. On the top side, it looks like as I took it off, I knocked the dang gasket off. It is over here instead, so I'm going to have to pull that back out. Stainless steel gears all around, and a little lubrication in there also to help it out. So the gears inside it look great. I just popped that gasket right back out there where it should be since I knocked it off. And now what we're going to do is put it back together. We're going to stick it in some water and see if it still works. Is it truly waterproof? Alright. Servo works. Now we're going to dunk it in the water and see if it still works. It still works. Alright, so we know that it's waterproof and we know that it's pretty fast and pretty strong. So now we're going to get it installed in this Comp Fox that we're building up, get some tires and wheels on it, and then we can give it a test. Servo installed, crawler fired up here. I want to just see how strong this thing is. So if I hold the wheel still and move it, that is ridiculous. No, I get it. So I know that's not the heaviest crawler in the world, but it just literally throws the whole crawler around like it's a rag doll. Back from the test drive, and that ZOSKAY 55 kg servo in there did absolutely wonderful in this crawler. No issue coming down. You can go downhill, lock the vehicle up, turn the wheels, no issue. It has all the power that you would ever need. But the real pro tip here is the 35 and the 45 kg servos. They're just so much cheaper. I mean, you can get 2 of the 35 kgs for the same price as 1 of the 55 kg. So if it's me personally, for most of my crawlers, I've been running that 35 or even a 45 kg in my other crawlers for years. 99% of the time, you never find a need for extra power. So I would probably actually go with one of the lower powered servos just to save yourself a little bit of money. But if your truck is extra heavy, do you have all the brass and do you have all of the extra accessories and scale accessories on your truck, and it like hurts to pick it up because that's how heavy it is, then you know that that 55 kg servo is out there, and that's probably the one that you want. So if you're in the market for servos and you need some right now, I'm going to leave a link in the video description to exactly where you can pick up each one of these, the 35, the 45, and the 55. If you're curious about anything else that I've done, RC crawling, tech tip kind of stuff related, there'll be a playlist popping up over here to your right. Hope to see you in one of those videos. Thank you, and goodbye.